Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Tables like this look scary, but this one cracks fast if you separate real GDP from nominal GDP and focus on what actually stayed constant. Real GDP means output measured using constant prices, so the move is not to stare at changing dollar values alone, but to compare production after removing price changes from the table. For 2019, compute real GDP using the given base price setup in the table, and that gives your benchmark year value, which is the number every later comparison has to match. Then do the same constant price calculation for 2020, and if that real GDP matches 2019, output did not change, so option D wins. Well done! Option D! Scan now. The trap is rushing signs and labels. Trust the given values and check each step before claiming growth.